Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the heated seats on Volkswagen Tiguan for generation here. Guys, we'll explain about that, where you can expect to find it. After that, if you guys need to change any parts, you need to buy any tools, we will guys share a link in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's go ahead and start on it now, guys. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So guys, for the heated seats, which fuses and relays we need to check? Most people, okay, guys, they will know about that fuse box that's right under the hood facing the engine. It's on the right side, on the driver's side. You have a fuse box right here. If you go ahead and open the cover, that's what it looks like. But guys, for our surprise, that's not what we need. Okay, what we need to check, actually, it's a fuse that's okay inside. You see your steering wheel on the left side here. If you remove one panel, we have a hidden fuse box. You have many hidden relays, by the way. Not just this, you have more hidden relays. That's why we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location Diagram. Check it out, video that will teach you about all your hidden fuse boxes, relays. Video that can save you a lot of money. Guys, before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay, they look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. And now we need to check up to 2 fuses if you have that option. We have the aftermarket heated seats that we installed ourselves. But if you have original ones, you see we have the aftermarket seats right here. If you have original ones, guys, okay, we're going to explain where to find these fuses. The first one will be fuse number 14. So if you come in these little fuses here, the numbers will be listed right underneath them. Fuse number 14 is that 5M fuse right here. And then you need to check one more, which is known as fuse number 52. And 52 will be a fuse right here. The number will be right above the fuses. But you have a fuse right here, okay. What about the relays? You don't have specifically dedicated relay for that function, but if you still have problems with the heated seats, check fuses and relays for the BCM body control module. If you want to know, guys, where they're located, the video will be on our YouTube channel. Check it out. As you saw guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.